Hi, welcome to AutoCAD Systems, AutoCAD Essential Online Training. Alright, for this lesson, we're going to learn how to add constraints to sketches by using AutoCAD. By applying constraints, you can control the location, size, distance, angle, and other parameters of objects in a drawing. As a result, you can identify and maintain specifications in a project. When you go here at the parametric of the ribbon, you can see there are two types of constraints, which are the geometric constraints and dimensional constraints. Now I'm going to show you how normally people use the constraints. Alright, for example, when you want to create the holes for this panel, you can just draw a circle without caring about the dimension at all, because later you can change it by using the dimensional constraints like this. Just go to radius dimension here and select object, and then just enter the desired radius value, which this one I will put 20 and I will put 15 for this one. And now you don't have to drag the circle into the spanner circle because you can use concentric here. After you click it, just choose the two objects that you want to concentrate together. Right, so same for this circle. Alright, I will change the dimension position first for the better vision later. Okay, after you apply constraints, constraint symbol will appear depending on what action you are using. For example, like this one, concentric, so it will appear concentric symbol. Now let's go for another example. Let's say the sketch line is like this. So actually we can control it by using logic action in constraints to change it, so that we don't have to delete and redraw. If like this, we can use the coincident here and just select the first point. The first and second point selection is crucial, where it will determine which line will be moved. So second selection of line or point will normally be moved to first selection object. That's why I select this point first and then select this point as the second point. See, it become like that. Now we want to make the line become totally 0-degree angle. So can use vertical constraints, or I actually want to use the parallel action. And then for object selection, always choose the reference object as the first selection, and then choose the line that we want to change as the second object selection, like this. Okay, the line is now parallel, but there is some space between these lines. So this one we can use coincident like before. But for other action that we can use is this equal action. And then select this line as the first object and then this line for second object. You see now the dimension for those line will be equal. Other than that, there are many more action that you can try and apply to your sketches, like tangent action here, horizontal, symmetry, smooth. Okay, for smooth, I'll show you since this is not something that is familiar to us. Okay, let's say you have these two splines and you want to connect them smoothly. So this is where you can use smooth action of constraints. Same, just click smooth here and choose the first and second object. You see, if I change the selection order, the position will be different. So yeah, basically that is all about adding constraints to object by using AutoCAD. Thank you for joining this lesson and see you on the next video lesson.